Hello, everyone. My name is Couture Holman, and I am transitioning from the on campus MSW program to the online program. Um, what has been my experience when learning research? I won't say that it was a pleasant one. I haven't had much experience with learning research since I was in undergraduate school, and that was many years ago. Um, and I don't even know if learning research is something that is ever going to be fun for me. So I don't even know how to answer these questions because I'm just not interested in research at all. Um, my reasoning for obtaining my master's degree is not to necessarily do anything with research. I'm more concerned with addressing individuals' trauma and trying to find ways to help empower people. I do understand that research drives some of the programs and things that are currently out here, and I'm sure I would also need to conduct research um, or use research methods in working with my clients. So I guess I better get a better outlook on research. Other than that, um, I'm taking this course because I have to take it. So hopefully, I'm just being as honest as I can possibly be at this moment. I look forward to learning with you guys and looking at the rest of these videos. Have a good day.